Are genes and alleles the same thing? Let's find out. All the cells in our bodies contain something that is known as deoxyribose nucleic acid, or DNA for short. DNA is a double-stranded molecule that contains 4 different bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. These 4 bases combine together in millions of different combinations to form the genetic information for our cells. In other words, DNA is a blueprint for all the different proteins and molecules that make up our bodies. A gene is the basic unit for heredity. It is a stretch of DNA on a chromosome that determines a certain trait, such as eye or skin color. We have 2 copies of most genes, one from our father and one from our mother. For the most part, genes are similar between different people, but some differences exist due to mutations, and this is where alleles come into play. An allele is a specific version of a gene, and it is found at the same place on a chromosome across different people. Genetic information is carried out through alleles, leading to the encoding of different RNA chains and traits. For example, the gene for eye color has several alleles, such as ones for brown or blue. Some terms associated with genes and alleles are genotype and phenotype. Genotype refers to the actual set of alleles carried by the organism, including unexpressed alleles like ones that don't influence a specific trait they code for. Phenotype is the expression of these genes, specifically the traits that are observed as a result of the genetic makeup of the organism. For example, the genotype for hair color is a sequence of DNA that we all have, but the phenotype is a different color such as black, brown, blonde, and red. As you can see, alleles are just different versions of a specific gene, so although they are very similar, genes and alleles mean different things. Everyone has the same genes, but it is our different alleles that create diversity in our appearances. Thanks for watching!